crypto can push higher and it can all get very crazy. And I think it's really good to be early before all of that happens. What's going on, everybody? We've been talking about this date, which starts the 30th. And tomorrow we're seeing that meeting once again. And we've been talking, how we're getting away from that 38,000 bottom we had sometime here in January. Green so far, 1.66 trillion. It's good. I'll take it. I mean, altcoins are doing their job. Solana is 9%. You're seeing some other tokens like Shiba Inu, LUNC, Cronos, XRP, the ones we talk about too, and they're not moving. People are getting frustrated, and obviously it makes total sense. That is the key call to say, well, let me go and push my DCA strategy, because as people leave because of frustration, some bulls come in, right? Now, we're getting some news. I was waiting for these updates like the forecast. I was saying, why not the FOMC raises the interest rate hike? So finally, we go and reduce to 2% faster, right? Well, what analysts are saying is, I think we're going to have another pause. Let me tell you the full story, guys. If you want more like this, don't forget to smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel so more people watch and we continue expanding, right? Because it's early. No matter if still we don't see Bitcoin at $60,000, $70,000, you and I know that it's just about a couple more months, even a year, to finally having our altcoin season that I think all of us we need. But by then, financial freedom is achieved. I'm not going to be waiting on another bull market to finally say, let's go. No, this is my bull market, everybody. So I'm pretty excited, to tell you that. Look, I got this. To start, the FOMC meeting probabilities. We are, as of right now, and I found this one, which I think is really, really useful. What you're seeing right now on the screen is all of the rate interest hikes, right? So all of them since 2022, all they went to 2023. Everybody, we were super down, sometime in 2022, right after the pandemic and all those low interest rates. Well, all of them have seen, most of them in 2022, you see that year was devastating for a lot of, the price. They were raising the interest, the price was collapsing. In 2023, we only saw 4 rate hikes, and they were in the 25 basis points, meaning that we're obviously not going to see a 50 rate change anytime right now. It's not going to happen because they've been very conservative. Now, the thing is, it's been forever. We are still in the 525, 550, right? Well, these are the probabilities for this upcoming one in 2024. The first one of 2024, 97% people are saying that we're going to stay in the same spot. Meaning that if that's what people are saying and we get it, guys, that's really plays good for us as crypto holders, because Bitcoin is not expecting something different. He does not raise the interest. We go higher. That's it. That's the call. We're going to go higher despite some short-term volatility, some sell-ups here and there, because it always happens. Buy the rumor, sell the news. That's going to happen eventually, but we're going to go higher. I think $44,000 is going to be put in this week. Yes, I can actually say that right now. I'm bullish on that. I think we're going to be seeing $44,000. We saw it yesterday, actually, 43,800. It doesn't make sense now that I'm seeing these numbers. And I also have some articles where the people are saying, we're going to go ahead and continue. Look at this. According to CME FedWatch, which estimates probability for change in interest rate, there's a 97% chance that we'll continue pausing. Only 2% of a cut. Right now, people are talking about a cut, not necessarily a hike, which means, okay, and there's another one here. Do not expect rate cuts right now. It's probably going to be sometime later. But yeah, we tend to believe rate cuts are imminent, right? and the Fed isn't gonna cut right now. So people are concerned, and since we watch most or all of the FOMC meetings live, you and I know how everyone in that room is asking your own power, when are you gonna cut? When are you gonna cut? And they've been doing it for oof. Let me go back. I mean, if you go to the FOMC calendar for the last three, if I'm not mistaken, for the last three FOMC meetings, since he hasn't, raised the interest rate, they've been asking him, and he's been saying not going to happen in 2023, possible in 2024, but not guaranteed, which makes sense, right? So 525, 550, that's what we're seeing. He's going to eventually cut it late 2024 or something in 2025, which means this is my time to accumulate before the cuts start happening, because once that start happening, it's actually going to be roughly around the time of an altcoin season. Guys, we're going to just explode. That's it. That's the call. That's the call. I'm seeing long term, and this number right here is just going to go, nuts. That's it. It's going to go nuts. We're going to be seeing very positive green scenarios very soon in the next couple of months. I mean, I've been waiting years, so saying very soon in a couple of months, I'm used to it. Just the day-to-day trading volatility, as sometimes it doesn't play in our hands, but that's just a chance if you have some cash in hand to do it nicely. And that's it, everybody. Really, I'm watching today, of course, they're meeting up the 30th. Tomorrow, we're seeing that meeting, and where if everything plays in the odds that we're seeing, guys, get ready and be prepared for some good short-term volatility where Bitcoin might retest this support of 42,864. But honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this rest of the week we start in the 44,000, because let me go to the 4 hours here. I'm going to take out the Bollinger Bands. From what I'm seeing, guys, that 38,000 was a great call. A lot of people, right? We called, oh, well, let's go down there. We're ready. Bitcoin is resilient. It's super strong right now. People are bullish. Seems that Grayscale stopped selling. Now we're going to the top or holding right at $40-something thousand, which is decent right now. That is exactly what I'm expecting. And I'm so happy that I showed you yesterday the positions I'm buying. Be bullish, everybody. We're going in the right place. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Take a look at the links down below. And I'll see you next time. Get your accounts down there so you get the free money. It's a time to dollar cost average before it's too late. Peace. Let's go.